Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to convert a PDF or doc file into a Markdown.md file. Using Markdown files with LLMs can help reduce the number of tokens used because they mainly contain text and avoid unnecessary formatting. Method 1. Using a PDF to Markdown converter. First, open your browser and search for PDF to Markdown. Open the first result from I Love PDF. Click on Select PDF and upload your file. As you can see, my PDF is around 700 kilobytes. Now click PDF to Markdown. Wait a few seconds while the conversion finishes. Once it's done, you'll see a Download Markdown button. Click it, and your .md file will be downloaded. If you check the file size, you'll notice it's only about 4 kilobytes. That's a huge reduction. You can now upload this Markdown file to your favorite LLM and potentially save tokens compared to uploading the original PDF. Method 2. Using Google Docs. Now let's look at the second method. Open your browser and type doc.new, then press enter. This will instantly create a new Google Docs document. Next, open the PDF you want to convert. Copy all the text using Ctrl+C, then go back to Google Docs and paste it using Ctrl+V. After that, click File Download Markdown.md, which is the last option in the download list. Your Markdown file will be downloaded. If you compare the file sizes from both methods, you'll notice they are almost the same. That's because Markdown primarily stores text and ignores images and complex formatting, making the files much smaller and lighter. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to convert PDFs or DOC files into Markdown files for use with LLMs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.